In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up eBay automatic bidding with the best new method for 2025. Now let's dive right in and get you up and running with eBay's convenient automatic bidding system. This feature is a real game changer, especially for those of us who want to stay competitive in auctions without constantly monitoring them. First off, to start this process, you'll need to log in to your eBay account. You probably have your login details at hand, but if not, take a moment to gather them. Having a secure password is crucial, so it's a good time to check that your account setting is up to date with strong authentication. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the eBay listing that you're interested in bidding on. It's essential to find the right item and make sure you thoroughly read through the listing to understand the details, like shipping costs, return policies, and item conditions. This helps in making an informed decision about how much you're willing to bid. Make sure the listing is an auction style format. eBay has different types of listings such as buy it now, and it's only the auction style listings where you can place a bid. If you're seeing a buy it now price rather than a bidding option, then these instructions won't apply and you'll need to find a suitable auction listing. Once you're on the right listing, you'll see the place bid button. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter your maximum bid. This is the maximum amount of money you are willing to pay for the item. It is a critical moment, so consider carefully how much the item is worth to you. Remember, this is set and won't adjust unless you manually change it. After typing in your maximum bid, click the place bid button. Now this is where eBay's automatic bidding feature kicks in. Once you've set your maximum bid, eBay will start the process by placing the lowest allowable bid on your behalf. Over time, if other bids come in higher, eBay automatically increments your bid up to your predefined maximum, keeping your bidding competitive without surpassing your monetary limit. This feature is incredibly useful because it means you can engage in auctions without having to keep checking and adjusting your bid. For peace of mind, if someone else outbids your maximum, eBay will send you a notification. This allows you to decide quickly whether you want to increase your maximum bid or perhaps search for another item. And there you have it, the eBay automatic bidding system makes it much easier to participate in auctions, allowing you to confidently and conveniently place top bids without monitoring every move. We hope this guide was helpful and you're now ready to take on eBay auctions with ease. Thanks for watching and happy bidding.